In this video, I want to go over the Bootstrap grid example. Now, we won't be focusing too much on designing on this course, but we will be using Bootstrap grid system quite often, so I thought it is good if we take a moment and understand how the grid system works. So what Bootstrap has done is that it has divided the whole page into 12 columns. So if you can see a few examples here, consider this as the complete page. So if this is the complete page and this consists of 12 columns, so they have divided this into 3 columns and assigned each one of them a size of 4. So what this has done is it has divided the whole page of 12 columns into 3 equal columns by using the class column medium 4. Now what happens with this medium? So Bootstrap has 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and extra small. So what it basically means, extra small is for cell phones, medium is for something around 770 pixels, and small is for tablets and the smaller devices. So based on that devices, if you have column medium 4, this means that it should follow the convention defined for sizes of medium and above. So if you reduce this beyond medium, it will not follow this convention anymore. So in order to do that, let me just make this smaller right here. And you see it's no longer dividing the 12 columns into 3 columns. It is taking the full size here. And that is because the size is smaller than medium. So if I extend it, it resizes automatically based on the sizing. So this is how Bootstrap has made the changing so easy for us. Let's scroll up and let's take a look at the HTML for this particular 3 equal columns. If we go to the top, right here we have the CSS. So first we have a div of class row, which will define one row, and then we have 3 more divs within that, each with a class of column medium 4. So this will take a space of 4 columns, and all the 3 will take a space of 4 columns, and adding all 3 together, it will be 12 columns. Now let's take a look at another example, which is 3 unequal columns. So in this case, we have the first one with a column medium 3. Let me bring up that CSS right here. There we go. So first one has a class of column medium 3. The other one has column medium 6. And the last one is again column medium 3. So this sums up to 12. So we're good there. And if you see at the output, the first one occupies 3 columns out of 12. The second one occupies 6 columns. And the last one occupies 3 columns. So this is how you can use the grid systems. And for the final example, if we scroll down and we want to break the page into just 2 columns. So if we scroll a bit further here, we see that we have 1 row, and within that we have column medium 8 and column medium 4. So column medium 8 will occupy 8 columns out of 12, and column medium 4 will occupy the rest 4 columns. Now here there will be more complex examples, but we will not be needing them in our case because we will be focusing on learning ASP.NET MVC Core and not much focus on the Bootstrap and designing. But I wanted to introduce you to the basics of Bootstrap grid system. I will also include this CodePen.io URL in the description, so you can play around by changing the classes, and you can also see more examples that they have here.